In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Riverside's intuitive platform to create and edit compelling videos seamlessly from start to finish. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting with video production, Riverside offers tools that make the process both straightforward and enjoyable. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to get cozy at your desktop and log into Riverside through your preferred browser. Once logged in, you will need to create a new studio. This is where all the magic begins. Starting a recording is simple, and we've even put together a video tutorial to guide you through this step if you need a bit of extra help. Once your studio is set up, hit record and capture that perfect video content. After you're satisfied with your recording, it's time to edit. Click on your video recording and you'll find yourself on a new page. From here, you'll notice a purple Edit button at the top right-hand side of the screen. Click this and then select Create New Edit. Welcome to Riverside's Editor Workspace, your playground for creativity where you can refine your footage into a polished final product. Editing your video can be done in various ways, each tailored to suit your style and needs. One effective method is through editing the transcript, which is conveniently located on the left side of the editing workspace. Deleting words in the transcript will automatically remove the corresponding sections of the video, allowing for precise edits without the guesswork. Alternatively, if you prefer visually working with the timeline, you can use the timeline editor. Simply move the play head to the section you want to split and press the split button on the left-hand side above the timeline. This allows you to delete any surplus footage or rearrange clips to construct your desired narrative. And if trimming is on your agenda, simply hover over the edges of the video clips and drag them to set new start and end points. Adding music and sound effects is also made easy with Riverside's multi-track recorder. All you have to do is layer music or sound effects onto different clips within your timeline to enrich your video's soundscape. On the creative side of things, you have options on the right-hand side of the workspace to add text and images. These come from a stock collection, but you're also free to upload your own media to personalize your project. If you want to upload images, videos, or audio directly from your desktop, just click on Uploads, choose the appropriate tab, and then click Upload. Branding your video plays a vital role in maintaining consistency across your content. By clicking on Brand, you can easily change the background or upload your logo to integrate branding elements using the plus icon. Riverside also allows you to choose from various layouts, whether that's full screen, picture-in-picture, or split screen, to enhance how your content is displayed. To polish your video further, you might want to explore the Magic Tools option. This feature is fantastic for removing awkward pauses, filler words, or unwanted sounds, and can even enhance your audio quality. The button located right next to Magic Tools provides options to adjust your video's aspect ratio, which is particularly useful if you're tailoring your content to different social media platforms. Once you've made all your desired adjustments and everything looks and sounds perfect, it's time to export your masterpiece. Tap on the Export button on the right side, select the settings that best suit your needs, and then proceed by clicking on the purple Export Video button. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently navigate Riverside's platform to produce high-quality video content that stands out. We hope this guide helps you in your creative journey, and we can't wait to see what you create.